Hi. Hi.
I'm good, how are you?
Everything is gonna be very crazy.
I'm sorry. Code.
I think
I spoiled myself.
ठीक है.
What really stands out is the kind of impact and change that we are making here. As a non-tech person, when I look at the solutions, we are literally creating magic.
We work on cutting edge technologies. We train our own AI ML models and we learn the new ways of prompting techniques also. A variety of tech stack you get to work upon.
The learning opportunities that are here and how supportive and helpful everyone here is.
The calendar bookings, meeting appointments and scheduling all the meetings.
Taking follow-ups, writing emails and the documentation.
I think manually proofreading an entire research document, I think there will always be a human in the loop intervention on some scale, but most of it could be taken over by AI.
End-to-end information gathering. So like it will be taking notes for me from the meetings, from my tickets, from my emails, and it will help me decide the priority and help me plan the task for my day. Let's sync because somehow syncing gets everything done.
Let's get on a quick call. Spoiler alert, it never is a quick call.
It's a small bug, I'll get it fixed by Cursor. Always forget to log in on time and fill the timesheet, so that will be very helpful for me if that would be automated.
I think routine follow-ups and updates to my team members and my manager.
Attending meetings as if I'm actually there. We work hard, we play hard.
It's a song by Pixie, Where's My Mind? And that is because my mind is everywhere and I have 27 tabs open on my laptops.
You Are On Your Own Kid by Taylor Swift, because this work life didn't come with a manual and I'm trying to figure things out on an everyday basis.
It would be Ud Gaye by Ritviz. When you get a big project, first thing I do is to break down into tasks.
So whatever comes to my mind before a meeting or any interview, I just write it down on my diary. That helps me process what I need to do.
Making a to-do list of every task that you have for one day and prioritizing them on the basis of urgency and the amount of energy each one requires.
Always take handout notes of the meetings. I think the major problem I would like to solve with AI is the climate change and sustainability problem.
Decreasing traffic jams to 2 minutes because I live in Gurgaon, so you can understand the situation.
Access to quality education, irrespective of affordability or geographical boundaries.
I won't get enough time for my passions and I won't get enough time to spend time with families and friends.
That it is going to be monotonous, but it is not true because corporate life helps you grow professionally and also personally.
That you will not get time for yourself. Plus, I have my weekends. I never had that in college.
The time management is the biggest skill I have learned here.
The understanding of why behind the task. It's not all about code. Why are you doing the code?
Navigating Microsoft PPT seamlessly.
Taking ownership of what I have done. A father uploads his son X-rays reports to Gemini and it predicted the correct diagnosis and gave the correct results which the doctor gave manually after 3 hours looking at the report.
Think agentic AI and AI agents. It's not just a buzzword. Giving an input and having AI agents independently work and give you an output that you desire, think it's amazing.
Agentic AI has to be the coolest AI use case I have heard about and also worked on recently.